What we have here today is a 54-inch Harbor Breeze Cefiro ceiling fan. White finish with high gloss white blades. The fan dates to 2000 and is made by Fanthing, which is pretty interesting because the satin nickel, or the brushed steel one rather, that I've have on the channel, the custom 4-blade abomination, is a Alaska product. This is a Fanthing product. Looks awful similar to the craft-made Solo Encore fans, although they are a bit different than this. The fan uses a 188 by, I want to say, 12 or 14 motor, something along those lines. Blade pitch, I want to say, is around 13, maybe 14 degrees. Fan, as you can see, is on a 20-inch down rod. That's what was on the fan when I got it. Right here is the remote for it. It's an all-function remote with including reverse. So we'll go ahead and show you the light. Hold it in. It'll dim. And return back to full brightness. I'll go ahead and start it up on low. Low speed's fairly fast. Take it to medium. And high speed. Fan's a pretty decent performer. Throwing around 190, 200 RPM. Especially since it's on this 20-inch down rod. It has a lot of clearance, so moves a lot of air. To reverse the fan, hit the reverse button. You'll hear the relay click in there, and it'll turn on updraft. Turn the light back on. Back to downdraft. And we'll shut it off. So that's all I got for this fan, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 54-inch white Harbor Breeze Cefiro ceiling fan from 2000. So we'll be seeing you next time. Stay cool. Peace.